Hello everyone, welcome to ecBill. In this video we'll see how to make product import. First we'll see what is mean by product import. If we have multiple product details in single Excel sheet that can upload in the software. Import process we can make for customer and suppliers also. Now we are going to see how to do for product import. Let's get start with the video now. Go to Tools under that Tools main setup. Again Tools in that select Software Controls under that Developer panel. In Admin Password box we have given user credentials, enter and get it. In Import Type, you can select as per our need. Here we are selecting Product Import. Before import, make ready with the Excel sheet. Have the required fields as per need and mandatory fields get filled. Once Excel is ready, select the Excel from the file. In that selected Excel, give Retrieve column. We'll get the sheet columns, it's nothing but Excel sheet columns, and Map to columns, is software columns, we need to map now. Click and map the columns, right to left or double-click on the box to map. Once done, give load and check data. Checking for any repetition. Now here errors are there. Like group and HSN code error. So for error item we need to upload group and HSN code again. Check the possibilities of error. Even empty space can make error. Make the Excel correct and upload. Load and check data. Any error it will show in red color. Check the process until get correct. Map one by one and check the process to avoid errors in master. If you need to check the repetition of items, give yes and check again. Now data check process successfully done. Here we can see all the products from Excel uploaded into software successfully. No error occurred. Now we can import data. Product master uploaded successfully. Now we can check the uploaded items list under masters. Yes, we have received all items under list. Like this we can do bulk upload for products based on purchase. Thank you.